Welcome back, guys. I believe this is part 35 or 36. I'm working on the Ford. I don't know if I'm going to make this a big video or not, but there's tons of videos out doing this job, but I don't think there is any out on the 268 Ford motor. So basically, what we're doing is we're going to remove the valves. So put the cylinder head up on the pallet, so when I start working on it, or a machine shop comes to get the parts, they can just load the pallet up and go. Everything else is on there. But size 30 will fit. Just like that. Remember how this went. I think it went like that. Just gotta now, I don't know, because the reason I'm doing this is so they can grind the valves and check them out. I'm sure everything's alright. But, I don't know, because I'm putting new valves on this. Unless they got the valves. Okay, so pretty much like that. Then I get a screwdriver that's thin enough. I think that'll work right there. Haven't messed with valves since the Raptor cart, so just crunching the spring. That's what we want. Okay, so that pop was the little retainer things. Hopefully they didn't. Okay, there's one, and there's the other one. Okay, that valve is done. So now what we do is we basically do that. And then stuff all like that. Oh, whatever that was, that fell apart. There's valve 1. So I'm gonna try to keep these in line. But whatever this little guy is, like a gasket, I think this is part of the seal or something. That's probably why it smoked so bad. The seal's broken. I'm going to lay the parts in there. Probably be getting all new springs and stuff in the rebuild kit. I don't know. I know valves, but I don't know about valve clips and stuff like that. Been doing a little work on the roof. I got that washed. Talk about that in a little bit and show you guys an update on that. But this is the last thing I need to get prepped. I mean, the machine shop would probably do this, but I'm playing on. Man, I don't even like a bullet. And I don't even know where the other one went. I don't even see it. Find it later, I guess. I'm planning on having this sponsored because it ain't cheap, and it's a local company. So it's always good. I like supporting local companies, and local companies like supporting me. So. Okay, number 2. Okay, pretty much you just repeat the process until they're all out like that. Try to put on more of an angle. Get that one? Yeah, I got that one. Okay, there's the clips for that one. Chugging along. Yeah. Well, we're at 6 minutes, man. Time flies. Like that. Want to keep all the parts somewhat together. Look at that. I think these are valve seals. These little rings, those are all gone. That could be another reason why I'm smoking. Try to put on an angle so I don't have to. Try to catch some little clips. Yeah, there's a lot of tension behind them. I don't think this piece has ever been off. So we're looking at this tractor was built in the early 80s. So it's been a while. That's for sure. It has been a while. Okay. Go here with that. That one's not wanting to come out. Okay, got that one out. On to the next. Yeah. I say our problems were in the valves, not the bottomed end. There we go, there's that one. So that sometimes happens. Stinking. This is, got that one. Okay, like that. Yeah, these. Just falling apart. This is one of them tools I have literally used twice since I bought it. That one shot way over there. Like a bullet. I'm running out of room. 2 more to go and I set this on the pallet. Okay. One to go. One to go. That one was easy to... Roll that over. Think there's anything else. Can really take off. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna set this on the pallet now. Okay. Take you guys over there. Man, get off. So basically, here's the pallet right here. Got everything on there: crankhead, bearings, flywheel, block, pistons, connecting rods. And then here's the riff. Been doing some sanding. It's really broke right there some, but it really has a lot of stress cracks in it, but that's probably because it was always in the sun, so. But it's gonna look sweet when it's done. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, leave a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.